I've got the new Kingbolen K7 Smart Scan tool here. We'll get this opened up and we'll see what it's like. We've got a proper carry case. I love the Kingbolen stuff. The quality's amazing, even the rubber tab on there, honestly. So inside, this is the hardware, the tablet. It does look like a tyre tread. It's got a camera on the back. At the bottom, we'll have our charging ports. USB-C charging, USB outlet. And the on button, let's see what it's like. I've just got it in it, it's already starting like a little demo to show you how to use it, but I already do know. I know the Kingbolen software well now. The next one. I've just activated my account, it comes with all the bits in the box. I'm going to update it first. So we'll just start all updates. Shouldn't take too long on the Wi-Fi. While that's updating, we'll put it on one side. You've got an instruction manual obviously. The password letter. Inside the box you get a dongle. This one seems even slimmer. Plug adapter is obviously for your plug, your USB-C. So it is a really tidy carry case. So in the manual it gives you like a product overview, Wi-Fi connections, all the function descriptions, TPMS connect, run through all your settings and your warranty terms. It's come out of the box 96% charged, so I'm just going to do its updates. We've got another amazing one to have a look through. So this is the K6 Pro. I think this one's going to go well with my customers because you get printing, so any diagnostic I do I can print straight out.